Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about information security mechanisms based on the CIA triad: confidentiality, integrity, and availability. The CIA triad is a basic model for keeping information safe. Confidentiality means keeping information secret and only accessible to the right people. Integrity means making sure data stays accurate and isn't changed or tampered with. And availability means making sure systems and data are always accessible when needed. So, in this presentation, we'll be applying these three concepts to websites, servers, and networks. For my part, I'll be focusing on websites. Now, websites are one of the most common targets for cyber attacks because they're open to the public. To protect them, we apply all the three CIA concepts. For confidentiality, we use HTTPS and SSL certificates to encrypt data between users and the site. We also use strong passwords and two-factor authentications to make sure only authorized people can access private areas. For integrity, we perform regular backups, use checksums to detect unwanted changes, and install a web application firewall or WAF to block harmful traffic and prevent hackers from modifying the website. And finally, for availability, we rely on DDoS protection, load balancing to handle heavy traffic, and redundant or cloud-based hosting, so the site stays online even if one server fails. So in short, confidentiality keeps website data private, integrity keeps it accurate, and availability keeps it running. Next, my teammate will continue with how these concepts protect servers.
Thank you, Basil, for ensuring our web presence. My task is to propose the security for service. The server is the engine of our infrastructure, is the center of computer that runs the application and processes all the data in the background. My strategy is to apply the core CIA concept to this engine. First, for confidentiality to prevent unauthorized disclosure of information, our mechanism is SSL/TLS. This encrypts all data transit, making it impossible to eavesdrop on sensitive passwords. Second, for integrity, we must ensure our system files are not modified. Our mechanism file integrity monitoring FIM. This provides real-time alerts if any file is tampered by an attacker. Finally, for availability, the server must remain accessible to mitigate denial of service attacks. Our mechanism is a load balancer. It distributes traffic, ensuring the service remains available.
Networks connect everything, so protecting them is vital, especially Wi-Fi LAN and WAN. For confidentiality, we use WPA3 encryption, VPN, and firewalls to protect unauthorized access. For integrity, we apply digital signature hashing and IDS or IPS monitoring to detect and prevent data tampering. For availability, we ensure redundant connection, load balancing, and DDoS protection to keep server online. By maintaining confidentiality, integrity, and availability, we ensure our networks are secure, stable, and resilient. In conclusion, the protection of website, server, and network required comprehensive and multi-layered approach. By implementing these techniques, organization can significantly reduce the risk of cyber threat, maintain data integrity, and ensure the continued availability of digital service. Thank you for your attention.